Hello, and welcome to this unboxing video. I got this lovely gift, a package from this chewing gum company that I remember since my childhood. So, when I was young, there was only one type of chewing gums called chungalunga, and since then they have grown. Oh, look at this lovely postcard that they put on it. Yeah, so it has like new mascots for the brand, and it is signed for me. It says for the childhood and the good memories. Thanks, guys. So I'm going to unpack it and I am going to check what are all the new products that now, like 25 years uh, after my childhood, obviously, they are actually producing and offering in the market. But this is such a refreshment, such a lovely way around to not only to show off with their new products, but also to revive my memories. One of my best memories from my childhood, one of the flavors. So wow, this box is so full of sweeties. Okay, this is stripe. It's a chewing gum in the shape of a stripe, I guess. And then there are like the regular chewing gums, but in various flavors. They have like 5 flavors different, and a lot of lollipops. I can see a lot of lollipops, and there's like this heart-shaped products. So these are like chocolate cover honey dough cookies. These are the magic stickies. They are actually in the shape of cigars, but they are not supposed to be commercialized for, kids and the shape of cigars. So that's why they are called magic stickies. And yes, these are actually the only chewing gums, chunga lunga, that I remember and that were available back then when I was a child. So these were like the chewing gums. And now they also have some caramel. Yeah, this is the caramel candy. Wow, so many flavors. Check this out. What's the black one? Rocks mint candies. Okay, these are hard mint candies. And they also make some flips, so also some savory snack. What else? Oh, they gave me a notepad and a t-shirt. Lovely. And there are these hard chewing candies in various flavors too, like 4 or more different flavors. Wow, I'll have to brush my teeth after each and every one of them. Okay, so let me just return everything in this box and make sure I wrap it up the same way, so then I can unwrap it with the kids and with all the people that I would like to share